you go. Yeah. Yeah. Early morning Father's Day. Me and Keith out here on Old Hickory. Early morning. Trying to see if we can get some fish. First cast of the day. There we go. Yep. Nope. Spinner. Oh, get in there.
Nice, dude.
Good morning.
Oh, dude, that's awesome.
Look at that.
That's a nice fish, brother. They was fishing that tournament, but I had to be somewhere today.
Nice little chunk. Thank you, fish. Good morning. Oh, yeah, double up.
Big.
It's all right, double up.
Hell yeah, bro.
Dude, that looks good.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you, fishes. What do you got going on there? Crankbait. Yeah. This is the time. We might have to come back here. This might be stacked. It's, you know what? I think it might have been that light. Those string of lights there. Nice little jig.
Jig?
Yep.
Nice.
Well, I'm hoping trying to catch a big fish, but it's not working. It's a tiny guy, but I'll take it. Thank you, fish. A fish is a fish is a fish. That's what I always say. Oh, here we go. No, it's a fish.
Same thing, jig.
Yeah. I think the hardest part for us is trying to find the right color. So this is like a light brown, green. And you barely,
That's a much nicer fish.
you barely feel them, like kind of biting. There you go. Jig's working. Thank you, fish. Crank. Stay down. Whoa, whoa, this guy. Take it easy. Whoa! Oh, that's all right. That's a good sized fish. Got him. Crank. Yeah. Thank you, fish. I think that's good for at least 6. That was a fat one. Okay. This is gonna be spinnerbait territory until I get skunked here and then fish something else. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice fish. Oh yeah.
I'll take it. Not too bad, little guy. Off the spinner though. Knew it was going to be spinner territory. Thank you, fish. Sure everything was good. Sweet, another awesome day of fishing. Successful day on this early Sunday. Well, it's not so early anymore. And on this Father's Day. So we had a really good time. Keith just pulled out. He's got to head home to hang out with his family for Father's Day, so we wish him well. But all in all, was a great time fishing today. I'm gonna have to say we were wearing them out. We did really well, catching them on quite a bit of things. We caught them on the spinner bait, we had the crankbait going, we had the worm going, or the soft plastics, if you will. Spinner bait was really good, so really good time. I think the weather conditions were perfect. Little chop on the water, little bit of stain, so you got those nice little spoons just kind of flickering into the sunlight that just peeked in, especially early in the morning. So really good times there. I mean, if we were fishing a tournament, we would have had 5 fish easy, full and live well. So we would have done pretty good, which is not the norm that Keith and I have on the night tournaments, but we're getting better at it for sure. So that's it for me. I'm hungry. I'm tired. I'm going to go get something to eat, and I'm going to go take a nap. I'm going to go hang out with the missus. So I wanted to wish all the fathers out there a very, very happy Father's Day. And for all the single moms out there, happy Father's Day as well. So this is The.Reel.Justin signing off. Please get yourself outdoors. It does not have to be kayaking. It does not have to be fishing. But certainly just get out and enjoy this beautiful weather. It is not going to last forever, or at least all year anyway. Unless you live in Southern California, of course. Haha, you bet you knew I was going to say that. So that's it. I'm out. Thanks for joining me. If you like what you saw, you go ahead and hit like. Please subscribe to the channel for any new videos that come up, and so you get notifications on that. And why don't you leave a comment? Maybe tell me how your Father's Day fishing event had went, and maybe tell me how much fish you caught. I hope you caught as much as we did, and I'm sure you did. All right, again, this is The.Reel.Justin signing out. Happy Father's Day, y'all. Peace.
Perfect.
I think I might have a tan for sure. Oh no, hate tan lines. Gross.